going on, skiers and riders? It's Devin here, back again with your Wednesday morning, December 18th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Today is going to be a beautiful sunny day here at Wachusett. It's a perfect day to come out and bring some friends to enjoy the mountain. Beautiful day, Wachusett! Between yesterday and last night, Mother Nature dropped 5 inches of fresh powder all over the mountain. And our awesome groomers were able to groom all 17 of our open trails for you to enjoy. So come shred up that corduroy. Speaking of hard workers, this week our parks crew moved the features off of Challenger and were able to set up a new build on the official location on Hitchcock Trail. We have 4 features including a flat box, a battleship box, a rainbow box, a pipe, and a tabletop jump. I know I'm excited to check it out, so come on down and show off your skills. This weekend, Saturday, December 21st, is our shortest day of the year celebration. Come out and ski and ride in shorts and be entered to win 2 lift tickets. Also, enjoy 25% off Wachusett gear in the Mountainside shop for 1 day only. Don't miss out on this. Also on the 21st is our Polar Express celebration. We will be showing the Polar Express movie throughout the day. Come enjoy holiday treats, carolers, face painting, and who knows, there may even be a special appearance from the one and only Santa Claus. This is a great family event you don't want to miss out on. For more details on these and upcoming events, check out our website, wachusett.com. And that's all I have for today. What are you waiting for? Come on down and enjoy this beautiful bluebird day at Wachusett.
Wachusett.